Welcome back to another Shopify website guide. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the blog section in your back office of your Shopify website. This is a section that if you have a blog specifically displayed or a hidden page specifically displayed on your website and you want to add information onto that back office area for that page or just to be visible on the blog, this is the area where you need to go and the do's and don'ts for your blog. So when you go into your when you log into your Shopify website, you're going to click on Online Store and you're going to see blog post. This is the only section of your website to where blog posts can be created and edited, and it's all in one place. You can just click the Learn More button if you want to learn more about blog posts, or you can just continue to watch this video just for a little simple guide. It's not a guide that goes into extensive detailing, but it's just to give you the ins and outs of how to create a blog post and get that onto your website. So we're going to click Create Blog Post, and here we just got all the bits that we need that are relevant. There's not much to it, and you don't really need a lot to it when it comes to creating your blog posts. Try to keep them short, sweet and simple. Don't make them too extensively long, but also make them relevant. So here you have the title. We're just going to click Design, and here you will write the content. So again, Shopify has an AI generated text section to which I'm going to put about website design, and it's going to be an expert, and I'm going to generate the text so that they can just create some content for me as an example. So as you can see, there's loads of stuff that come up as suggestions, which is great because if you're unsure on what to write, this is the perfect generated content that will help you. So we are going to do the role of website design in search engine optimization, because that is one of the most important things. But I feel like we're just going to keep everything. So we're going to just click keep, and then we're just going to keep everything because I think all of the information there is very relevant. So we're going to name the blog post website design, and that is the information we have. You can add pictures, add information. So here you've got obviously formatting, so making the text larger or bigger, making it bold, italic, underlining it, bullet points, number, which side you want it sort of placed in, indented, alignment, color of your text, color of your background, inserting a table, and also the main important thing, inserting an image or a video. You can add as much as you want, but keep it very short, sweet and simple. If you do add a video, you just need to insert a video by pasting the embedded snippet code basically in this box. So I'm just going to show you where you get that snippet code from. So if you click cancel, we're just going to click save on your blog post. Now, if you go to content on the left hand side and you click files, this is where you will upload your video. Once you upload your video file, your file is going to appear here. I don't have a video unfortunately available to show you, but it will appear here, and then a little chain link will appear, and you're going to click on that link, and then you're going to copy that video link and then go back to your blog section, which as you can see is hidden, our draft one that we've created. We just go back onto that, and then you're going to click on the space where you want the video, click the video, paste your link, and then insert video. And then what that is going to do is insert the video from your content upload section. So that is how you upload a video. If you are unsure and you still need a proper example, please just message me and I'll try and get that sorted for you. But it is very straightforward and simple to do. You can add pictures, you can add information, you can section information out. Of course, as I've mentioned before, you can click to edit. So as you can see, this type of text is we can put it as a heading 4. We can put it as a heading 3. I believe it's a heading 1, maybe heading 2. There we go. It's a heading 2 text, and then this is a paragraph text. So this is just a generic standard sort of sizing for paragraphs. And again, like I said, you can edit and change these as much as you want. On the right hand side here, you have visibility. So whether you want your blog to be visible or you want it to be hidden, or you can set a visibility date for when you want this blog launched. It doesn't have to be there and then you set it in stone. If you want to save it and go back to it later and keep it hidden, you can definitely do that, or you can set a visibility date or just set it as visible. You can click add image to have a featured image, which will be displayed on where all of your blog posts will be in a specific page to showcase all of the posts that you have available. You have a section here where it says author, so who is the person that has written this, obviously what page is this going to be put on. You don't need to do anything on here unless you're creating a brand new blog section. So if you've already had a website designed by myself, you don't need to click on this section. This has already been pre-set up for you. Tags, you don't really need to tag anything unless you want people to find that specific section within your search bar under a certain tag. So if it's something to do with, for example, website design, then that would be the tag. You add that as a tag, and then you could add websites, add that as a tag. So it is not really necessary, but if you have a search bar on your website for people to search things for, then you can add this. So here you can add a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog. I wouldn't really put this unless you're trying to entice people to read on the blog. If it's a blog that is sort of necessary for people to read, you can sort of let the title and the image speak for itself. But sometimes what people do is they put just a little snippet of a paragraph that they have into this section, so that it just entices people to go ahead and click on it. Now, one of the most important things is the search engine listing preview. So please make sure to click on this and click website SEO. When you click on this, make sure that this section here, the page title, and this section here are all written in from the title of what you have created. And make sure that you have, as you can see here, a little snippet. So this is automatically calculated and done for you already. But if you change the information on here and the title, and you notice that these haven't changed, do change them manually, because this will affect how it will show and be visible on Google. And once you're happy with that, you just click save, and you can just go back. And once you've just gone back, you can just go ahead and just keep it there and go back to it whenever you want to and edit it whenever you need to. You can just add a blog post and create a brand new one if you wanted to. There's so many different things. You can click manage blogs to where you can manage them. So obviously this is where all your blogs will be enabled. Comments are disabled automatically on blogs, but you can allow comments and allow them to be automatically published. I wouldn't really allow comments on a blog unless you're being open for discussion to things, just because you do get bots, you do get spam that can be commented on blogs. So I would only advise to do this if it is an open discussion blog for people to read and to comment by, of course. Other than that, it is very simple and straightforward to do. So I'm just going to show you a quick snippet of if we was to publish it, what it would look like. So we're going to click view. Now, obviously, this is what it looks like on my end, but like I said, this is a test website. Yours is going to be completely laid out in a nice, elegant way from how we've designed it for you. If you did not get a website designed with the blog or hidden page requested, then this has not been set up or designed for you, and you can just get booked in with myself to get that sorted out, and then I can make sure to get that fully set up to the way that it needs to be. But other than that, it is really straightforward to where we need to, of course, create the blog section on the website and how to add blog posts. And as you can see, you can't access it anywhere else. It is a hidden page, so where you can create a blog post as a hidden page. Click back to blog, and as you can see, this is highlighting one of my blogs that I have created that are on display on my website. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to this page. And if you have any questions about anything at all, please leave it in the comments and I'll try to respond to everyone as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching.